What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sarah. Today we are here at my friend's bridal shower. You have met her previously on my old vlogs, but she's my Palangi bestie and she is getting married next week. So we're here to celebrate her with my sisters. Yeah, I feel like I'm a bit overdressed. I didn't get the memo. My sisters came real chill, and we came like full on. I came full on.
Very chilled people.
And I'm not chill. I always come overdressed, but all goodies. Get her, Julian. Oh, your house is nice.
Thanks, this is my house. Come in.
What are these gardens? What are the names?
I did some pots on the side there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and my flowers over here.
We're literally waiting for Mal to open the door. Walk to us, move back. Ooh, yes, walk. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Sis, I wasn't sure if I was overdressed. I was like, no. These two wanted to come casual. Yeah. Wow. Okay, go over there. You need to go more back. I'm gonna do a slow-mo. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, go. Okay. Ready? She's excited. Oh my goodness. It came so fast, eh?
A whole year.
A whole year.
And we are
Look how beautiful finally. My girl is. Oh girl, you is hot. You is so hot. Okay, we're gonna get some food. We're eating here now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sera Simpson. My first one, oh my gosh, I almost said, huh? I am Marge. My husband pranked me and said he's a drug dealer. Mal and I met at Supre, and I have 3 kids.
You don't have 3 kids.
I don't have 3 kids.
You don't have 3.
Girl, you're good. You're good.
We did meet at Supreme, fun fact.
Yes,
She
we did.
trained me.
I trained
I was so scared and you were my like best friend.
I love that.
Okay, go Amy.
Guys, just so everyone can hear.
Yeah, good. This is also my girl. This is my girl.
I'm Amy. Amy, for those. Hey, Amy. I've been arrested. That's my first one. You know? I won a trip to France through work. I've been. I got my first and only tattoo at 17 with my now husband.
That's true.
Wow.
This is 13 years on.
You got arrested.
Go.
You got arrested. Amy. Amy, you got arrested.
Family down that end. We already have all the answers. We
Secret. No, we're not going to tell anyone.
Hi guys, my name is Christine. I graduated high school. I'm the youngest child and I was born in the islands.
Yeah, you grew it.
You're the youngest child. She came for you, sis. What's the lie?
What's the lie, guys?
She's not the youngest. I'm the youngest.
I'm the youngest.
Yeah.
That's wrong. I'm the youngest.
So, what is the lie?
I was born in the island. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, she is a baby.
My name is Julie.
I got gum stuck in my teacher's hair in high school. I'm a twin, and I have 2 kids.
You do not have 2 kids.
Twins.
These are all good.
Wait.
That's okay.
No, you're not a twin.
Yeah, I'm not a twin.
She has 2 kids.
Damn fine as hell.
This one. Next.
Okay, guys, so this is the mother of the bride. She cute and whatnot. Yes, introduce yourself.
I'm Desi.
She's Desi, Melanie's mum. Are you excited she's getting married?
Of course I am.
Are you?
This little baby. Come here, baby. Yeah, this is my baby.
Guys, this is her oldest child. She's only got 2 girls.
Yes.
It's Mal and Sera, and Mal is the first one to get married. So she's so excited, and we're so excited it's next week.
Yes,
We're going to be celebrating her next week.
We're watching them today.
Wait, Mal, I can vlog here next week.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Mal, tell them.
Sarah will be vlogging
Yes.
for our wedding.
For the wedding. So stay tuned. We're gonna be vlogging for Melanie and Calvin's beautiful day, and I cannot wait. Literally cannot wait. Yes.
Congrats, Mel. Love you.
I love you, girl. I hope you have the most amazing time next week. Yeah. I wish Melanie and Calvin all the best next week. They've waited a long time for this wedding. I love them both very much, and we're going to have the best time. It's going to be the most amazing wedding because they're both gorgeous human beings.
All my beautiful babies, wishing you a beautiful, happy, loving life together. Forever and ever. And lots of babies.
Mel and Cal, wishing you lots of babies and many years of happiness and many years of laughter.
Hi, Melanie and Calvin, wishing you all the best in your life. And congratulations on your beautiful day. Love you.
Hello,
Who are you to Mel? Just
I'm Melanie's sister.
okay. Are you excited that she's getting married?
Super excited,
You
yeah?
are.
Hi, my name's Sera. I'm Melanie's cousin.
Are you excited she's getting married? Do you? Okay, be honest. We'll leave it here at the TNS family. you love Calvin? Are you sure? Are you sure, Sarah? Sarah, are you sure? Pretty sure you love Calvin? Okay, okay guys, I have to guess what's in here. I think this is like 106.
Yep.
Sarah? Look at me. 106. I'm gonna check with the other Sarah. Guys, we're all Sarahs. Sarah. 106?
Yeah.
This one? Sarah. Alright,
around the Yeah, you can go with that.
120.
Perfect. Beautiful. Great.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay fam, I'm about to leave this event and go to another event, but my sisters are gonna stay here. They'll vlog on their phone while I'm gone. So I'm gonna pass the vlog on over to Chris. She will be vlogging on her phone. Hopefully she gets some content because this girl be like, I hate vlogging. Exactly. So yeah, family. Guys, you know that this is my Balangi best. I can't wait for her to get married. I can't believe she's getting married, and I'm so grateful that she's actually allowing the TNS family to be at the wedding next week. So family, like I've been saying this whole vlog, make sure you stay tuned for my beautiful girl's wedding next week.
We'll see you soon.